Hello YouTube, it's your boy, it's your man Kiran. Been a long time since I posted a video. I was in hospital. I was not in the right frame of mind and health, good. But I'm slowly recovering. I'm starting to shoot more YouTube videos. Alright, today my recipe is a nice bubblegum ice cream. So, what we need today, so I'm going straight to the making of it. So, what you need is fresh cream. I got 750 mLs of fresh cream, bubblegum essence, for the nice flavor. I've got condensed condensed milk cream, and to add a bit of we had a coloring or a blue coloring, yeah, and also it's finished frozen and everything. I'm gonna garnish it with some hundreds of thousands. Okay, let's get it now. Like so, you have to now. So 1 second. Just this. You're gonna put this in. All right. So you add the 750 mLs of cream like this, right? And I have to beat it to soft. You always beat it to soft peak stage. So yeah, here goes. Go. I'll make sure not gonna waste any ingredients. So nicely, here you go. And there goes nothing. So I don't have an electric beater as yet, but I have to do it manually. So it has to be to soft peak stage. So I'm start beating the whisking and beating the. It has to be soft peak stage, not hard, not stiff, but soft peak. Sorry, my hand is a bit. I've got dystonia. Oh, sorry, my bad. Okay, it's recording. Recording. Make sure nice, everything nice. I will make sure I get an electric beater one of the weeks, so it'll be easier to so take a bit longer. But hey, it's worth a try. It's coming in slowly. It has to be soft speak. Keep beating it up. Take a beat it down again. So my hand's a bit. I'm sorry, I have just got dystonia right, and so just use my left hand. This has to be left overnight or for a couple of hours for it to get nice and hard, nice and nice texture. It's coming in slowly coming there. Yeah, it's coming in slowly. Nicely. Just take a little breather. You have to take breaks, and crime breaks. Sorry, it's taking a bit longer. Ooh, I think I need to use some water. I'm thirsty. Whew. Okay, so 1 second. Go. Okay. Put this here. Those way. Which nice stiff, soft peak stage. So nice. Yeah. By the time I'll just put some. What you call this? Hey, make sure you get nice. Make sure it's nice. It's coming there. It's coming. So peak. It will come there. It's coming there. It's getting there slowly. Then you got to after that. You gotta add the maybe it mixes by the time bubblegum essence. Okay. Just gonna mix it nicely. So this is the bubblegum essence. And I don't count measurements. I just cook from the heart. The bubblegum smells so nice, delicious. A bit more. Just more and more. Just keep mixing. Leave this overnight. I wanted to get this. I'm excited to get ice cream. Plus, I'm gonna do more content on fitness, fashion, human rights, street awareness. Yeah, calisthenics. I'm gonna do more of that. Okay. And you're gonna fold it in, so you get a spatula, a little spatula, or some kind of spoon or something. Mess. But hey, it's no problem. Okay. Always make sure your cooking utensils, everything is ready by scratch. I'll just use this for the time being. Nicely go there. Yeah, I'm gonna go all out now. So yeah, this is what I did condensed milk with the bubblegum essence. I made the nice look down there a little bit more. A little bit more. I know it's a bit of a sweet tooth, but I'm gonna share this with everyone. So yeah. Oh come on. Homemade from the heart. From the heart. I always cook from the heart. It's getting there. I know. The cheapest, I think, electric mixer is about 349 rand. Rand is South African, the currency of my country, South Africa. It's getting there. It's up stage. Getting there. Shoo. It's crazy. Yeah, I make ice cream. We're having heat wave in Durban, all over South Africa. So nice ice cream will cool you down. a nice box for this thing. Sorry, 1 second. Wait, this will be fine. Should be fine. Yeah, should be fine. And garnish it. It's getting there. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay. Shoo. Skin is to be. Okay, it's fine. I think this should be fine. I'll just add this what I made and I'll just fold it in, baby. Okay. This is one more sifting and a little essence. And yeah. So it's just this nice banana. You know what? I'm cooking safe from the heart. A bit more. More nice sweet. And yeah, so and now I'm gonna add blue food coloring to make it just not so much, just a little bit. Just add a little bit of a drop here, drop there. Okay, perfect. And yeah, and later when this thing is nice, I'm gonna be garnishing with this hundreds of thousands. It's now looking very nice, I must say. It's looking very nice. Alright. Nice soft pieces. Yes, we go. All the ingredients. And yeah. Okay. It's getting there. Sorry, but I will get there one day. I will get there slowly making heck of ice cream. So yeah. In case you want to see my tilak, as a Hindu, I'm very proud of my faith. It's a symbolism of Hinduism. And it just calms your mind, everything, and makes you connect to the divine. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now, I'm going to now pour this mixture, pour the ice cream mixture into this thing here, this tin, plastic, like bowl. So it goes, here it goes, nothing. The rest of it I'll put it in something else, and yeah, just put in the fridge, wait a little more, a little bit more, put it in. Yeah, so there you go. And yeah, now just put it overnight. And yeah, this is it, my bubblegum ice cream. Leave it overnight or maybe for 8 or so hours. And yes, after that, I'll garnish it with 100,000. And thank you. Please like, subscribe to my channel and make this go viral. Thank you. Bye.